Hi, I'm Willie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. And in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to create multiple IP addresses on a layer 3 interface for a VLAN. UniFi now allows this, and I can think of a couple different scenarios where we've migrated networks and maybe we didn't have all of the information about the default gateway, right? Because by default, the main IP address of your VLAN is what's going to be handed out in DHCP, and that's what's also going to be your default gateway to get you out of the VLAN. So in some situations when you're migrating, if for some reason you've got machines that are static and their address is set to something else, this could save you in the short run from having to reconfigure machines, and you could just slap a second IP address on a VLAN. I'm going to show you how to do that. So what we're going to do, we're over here in UniFi, and we're on the main overview here. We're going to come over here to networks, and we're going to click create new, and then this is going to open up over here, and we're going to call this VLAN 2. It's going to be on the Willie Lab UDR7 zone. We're going to leave that internal for now. Under this auto scale network, you know I'm not a fan of this, so I got to uncheck that. Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click manual here. And you can see by default, this is going to set the gateway IP to 192.168.2.1. And I've got a Class C subnet mask, 253 usable IPs. And by default, the DHCP range is going to be 2.6 through 2.54. Now, I have seen in some cases that people will use .254 for their gateway. I've also seen that some people use .100 for the gateway. Whatever you use for your gateway, that's on you. You've got to manage it as long as it's documented. So if you are no longer around, that's cool. You manage it however you want to manage it. I'm going to leave this auto gateway. Now, when I leave auto gateway like that, on DHCP, it is going to hand out that 192.168.2.1. This checkbox right here, where it says additional IP4 addresses assigned to this VLAN, only the primary gateway IP is used by the DHCP server. But I can go ahead, I can add an entire range of additional IPs, but in this case, I'm just going to add 2.2. We'll click add, and you can see we've got that there as well. Now I could come down here and manually change my auto default gateway so it pointed to 2.2, but this is going to answer on 2.1 or 2.2. Now, the other thing that I haven't tried, and we're going to try this live together, so sometimes maybe you've got a machine or maybe you've got somebody who wasn't using VLANs and everything's all mixed in together, or let's say that you stick a device in that's got a static IP of 10.10.10.3 with its gateway of 10.10.10.1, and you don't want to create that whole VLAN, and you just want to plug it into a port that is on VLAN 2. I mean, I'm assuming that this is going to let us, and it may not because I haven't tried this until right now. So it looks like we're going to click create here. And it did it. And so now, right here on VLAN 2, if we click on that, it'll bring the properties back up. We can see that we've assigned these other IP addresses to it. If we hover over this tooltip here, we can see all of the IP addresses that we have associated with that layer 3 interface. So I could configure a static machine of 10.10.10.2/24 or 255.255.255.0 and point it to that 10.10.10.1 as the default gateway, and this will route it out. So they've added this. This is a very nice feature to have. It allows a lot of flexibility in migrations and troubleshooting and all of those things. So what I want to know is, are you using this in production? Have you used this? I can see several scenarios where I'm working with people where we are probably going to use this. So let me know down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, follow me on Twitter and TikTok. Those links are down below, along with affiliate links, a Patreon link. And if you need IT consulting, head on over to williehowe.com. That link is down below, and fill out the contact form that's on our front page. The next video that I'm going to do, I've migrated from Windows to Mac. I'm going to do a video about that, like a vlog style video. So this video is a little rough. I don't have my normal intro and extra. Some of you intro and outro extra. Some of you probably are happy about that. That's cool. But I am going to get the videos more polished now that I'm almost completely migrated over to Mac. I'm using a new screen capture software and all that stuff. But, you know, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you learned something from it. Let me know how you're using it. All of our links are down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.